In this video, I'll show you how to compress or reduce PDF file size without losing quality. This is a quick guide. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, quick scenario here. Let's assume I wanted to send this particular PDF to somebody via email. Now, as you can see, the size of this PDF is 12 MB. This may take a while to do the attachment on any email service or even not go through. So the easiest way is to compress, and for this video I'm going to show you how to use Tenoshare's PDNob to compress or reduce the PDF file size without losing quality. So you'll need to download Tenoshare's PDNob beforehand and follow along with me. Now I've already downloaded and installed Tenoshare's PDNob. I can just open this particular PDF, just double click on it, and I've set Edge to open this PDF, and you can see it's a PDF that has some images and all that. As you can scroll down, you can appreciate all the images and everything. So it's a busy PDF. Now let's see how Tenoshare is going to actually compress this. So I'm just going to open it up right here because I've downloaded and installed it, and you can use the link in the description below to download and install Tenoshare PDNob. Now once I do that, I can just go back to my PDF folder here and just drag and drop it right here. Can just minimize this, and from this new window there are a lot of options right here, but of importance to us is the compress PDF. If you cannot see it here, you can also click on tools and you'll see it here. Let's go back home and just click on compress PDF. Once I click on that, you're going to get a new dialog box, compress PDF, and from here you can be able to add more files. You can also click on the drop down to add open files, add a folder. You can also remove all files that are in this particular dialog box, but for this video we have our file here and you can see the file size, and you have a couple of options right here. Now of importance to us is now the compression level. Do you want us to have a high quality PDF, a medium quality but smaller size, a low quality that is the smallest size but the graphics may be affected? So I'll just go for the sweet spot, which is middle quality. And as for the save to directory, I want to go to the source directory, or you can actually choose a custom directory. I'll click on source directory and I'm satisfied with my selection. I'll just click on compress, and once I do that, Tenoshare PDNob is going to start compressing my PDF to the compression level of middle quality. Once it's done, you're going to get everything goes green right here, and you can see the new file size, and the compression ratio is 91%, which is really good. From 12.2 MB to 1.05 MB, that's a really good compression rate. And you can see a green check mark here to show that the compression was successful. I'll just click on open files directory to navigate to the folder with the compressed PDF, and you can see it right here with the underscore compress. I'll just double click on it, and as you can see, it's more or less like what we have in the original PDF without more or less any quality loss. And that is how you can use Tenoshare's PDNob to compress or reduce PDF file size without quality loss. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.